The nephew of former MLA, late HDR Lyngdoh, and candidate of the UDP for the upcoming Adjourned Legislative Assembly elections of Sohiong Constituency, Synshar Lyngdoh, had filed his nomination today, the 18th of April 2023, at the Deputy Commissioner's Office of East Khasi Hills. He was accompanied by the party's president, Metbah Lyngdoh, family members, party workers and supporters. It may be reminded that his uncle late HDR Lyngdoh had passed away a few days before the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly elections held in February this year.
I, Shri Synshar Lyngdoh, have been nominated as a candidate to fill the seat in the 23 Sohiong Constituency Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Me and HDR Lyngdoh, who was here 2 months before filing his nomination papers. He is a popular figure and a legend in this field. His death is a big loss to the family, to the party, to the state. I'm here, his replacement. I'm here, a continuation of his work and his legacy. And one important thing, the people of Sohiong Constituency are praying every day and wants to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry. People are watching. I am being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate for better laws, for the betterment, for the future, for the security, for the safety, and for the welfare of the people of the constituency, the state, and also for Kari Bat Kajat Vendri. Mariam PDH Bangare Rawi Kaliang, PDLD, I'm confident I will move on and I know I'm personal in this election. Conference Panglo comments about the party. Kaneka Bomanta, you have to repair but repair the damage done by the last ex-MLA. So Menta Rugari continuation jungi, Gari Sai Bateng jungi, Pon Peki Mati jungi, Kibarim ki kam ki vision jungi, Ngadi continuation ya kam jungi.